was a bright day in Sunny Meadow, perfect for flying. Hi there! Why aren't you flying with the others?
I'm scared to fly. But you have wings.
They're small. What if I can't do it?
Everyone starts with a little fear. Let's practice together.
CoCo had a plan to help.
See? Like this. Flap, flap. Woof! I can flap too. So high. Don't look down, Ben. Look at the sky.
CoCo's words made Pip braver.
Let's warm up with a song. Music always helps me feel brave.
Flap your wings, 1, 2, 3. You can fly, just wait and see. Take a breath, don't be shy. Spread your wings, give it a try.
Up so high, the world looks wide. Feel the wind and soar with pride.
He was flying.
Flap your wings, don't be scared. Every dream is better shared. Flap your wings, 1, 2, 3. Be brave, be kind, and you'll be free.
I did it! I really did it!
Told you, Super Pip.
See? Bravery lives in everyone, Ho, even tiny wings. Friends forever, come and see CoCo KiKi, just you and me.
CoCo KiKi, learn, sing, and smile. See you soon!